Good morning, friends. So I wanted to do a little update video. I have decided that I was going to keep this YouTube channel that I started many years ago as more of like kind of a lifestyle vlog type video, what I'm up to, just kind of keeping it more in the theme of my personal life and hobbies and activities and that type of stuff. And I'm actually going to be starting a new channel specifically for my real estate. So I will still update home tour videos or real estate videos here as well from time to time, but I feel like my channel is getting confusing because I had followers before I started my real estate. So I don't know, I just think I want to have a channel that's designated for real estate, even though that it's a huge part of my life, that's my career. I want to be able to keep this channel a little more fun and a little bit more informal while I have my sort of business channel. I hope that's okay. You can tell me in the comments if you think that's a good idea or not. I think I do have some people who have recently joined this channel specifically for real estate, and I don't know, I feel like they might be a little bit confused, like what is going on? Like, why is she posting thrifting videos or cooking videos or that kind of stuff? So I'm just thinking of maybe separating it a little bit. Obviously it's still gonna be a little bit mixed and intertwined because it's me, that's who I am, that's who Maria Guild is. She's a mom, she's a realtor, she's a housewife, she's a maid, she loves to thrift. I'm all of those things. But I just don't want people to like come here specifically for real estate and then just kind of waste their time. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to put a link to my new real estate only channel if you want to follow specifically for real estate, if you're in the market, if you're curious about Maricopa, Arizona, where I live, if that's a place that maybe you would like to purchase at some point, definitely follow me over there. That's going to be where the main bulk of my real estate is going to live. All right, that's the update. I hope you guys are having an amazing year. Can you believe we're almost at the end of the year? Oh my gosh, so amazing. So many blessings. We have so much to be thankful for. And I am so thankful for you guys and for following me. It's so neat because I meet people in my town now and they're like, oh my God, keep making YouTube videos. They're so fun. So thank you guys. Thank you for following me. Thank you for watching. You guys have been amazing and have a great rest of your day. Bye.